Today, we're going to look at the Osmo Pocket expansion kit for your DJI Osmo Pocket. Let's go. What's up, everybody? Phil with Photo Gear Fun here. Today, we're going to take a look at the Osmo Pocket accessory pack. It comes with 4 things, basically. Got a wireless module here, which allows you to connect to the device wirelessly. Also has a pass-through charger. You've got an accessory mount, so you can use GoPro-like accessories. Osmo Pocket fits into that accessory mount. Got the scroll wheel, and we'll get into each of these. And it also comes with a 32 gigabyte Samsung micro SD card. Let's jump right into this here. I bought this. I think it's going to be a great companion for the Pocket. I love the Pocket. The thing that I don't like about it, especially when it comes to kind of controlling the gimbal, is the fact that it's not very fluid normally, and that's where the control wheel will come in. You can see there are a couple positions, there are a couple buttons here, but basically that scroll wheel allows you to control the gimbal head, and it allows you to do very fine movements. You can use the screen to do that, but it's just not nearly as effective. Also got a button that flips into selfie mode. So just one flip of the button, you can see the camera. Instead of pressing it 3 times or triple tapping, 1 tap there. There's also a mode button, which allows you to go through the different modes. You can see FPV, tilt lock, follow. And basically this simplifies the operation. So you can see again that it's controlling. But this is great and definitely helpful when you're trying to do fine control. One of the things that I'm most excited about is this wireless accessory. So not only does it give you Wi-Fi access to the device, so you don't have to connect it to your phone, there is a way to physically connect it to the phone, which you can do and control it with the phone. But with this Wi-Fi base, you don't have to do that. You just connect to this wirelessly, and I'll show you in a second how to do that, and then you can control it. It also gives you a nice base to set it down. So you can see here, it's just kind of sitting there. And then again, it does have that pass-through charger, which allows you to be able to, you can see that set up here. I'm actually charging it or powering it with a USB power bank. So it's a great feature to have as well. Let me just show you how easy it is to connect to this base and then control the phone. Okay, first thing you want to do is connect to the Osmo Pocket app, Mimo app. You can see here, and you tap on the camera icon. That will allow you to be able to choose how you want to connect. Choose Bluetooth, and you can see it tells you basically what to do. Once it's connected, you tap on Next. It will find the Pocket via Bluetooth. You can see you tap on Connect, and it takes 15 to 30 seconds or so, but you'll see a phone connected message on the Pocket here, and now you're actually connected and controlling the phone. So it's pretty simple and straightforward. Allows you to be able to control it just like it was connected to your phone. So those are the accessories that come with this Osmo Pocket accessory kit. I think this is going to be a great addition to the Osmo Pocket. It's $109, so it's not inexpensive, but the fact that you can control it wirelessly, which is huge, you don't have to worry about connecting it to your phone and your phone battery dying, and the scroll wheel, which gives you multi-functions and definitely a lot of features. I think those 2 alone are worth it, and then I'm not sure how much I'll actually use this. But it's nice that they have it. It's a very handy accessory case. Again, if you have GoPro accessories, you can use those, or you can buy GoPro accessories, and then, of course, the 32 gigabyte SD card. Hope you enjoyed this look at the Osmo Pocket accessory kit. Get out there and have your photo gear fun. I will talk at you again in the next video.